So today we will see about the layout and views in Android Studio. Okay, just see layouts in Android Studio define the structure of an app's user interface. Uh, Different types of layout help in organizing UI components. So what is layout? So layout in Android Studio, uh, what this will define the how the app's user interface will look like. What is its structure? Okay. So some types of layout are first type is linear layout. This is very simple layout. And this arranges elements in a single direction, horizontal or vertical. This is theoretical part. I will see practical later. Simple and easy to use. Example: linear layout, Android orientation vertical. Text view we can add there inside, and button view also. And linear layout. This will close. A starting tag and closing tag. Next is constant layout. So this is important layout, one of the most used layout also. Okay, so this is flexible and efficient for complex UI designs, uses constraints for positioning, reduces nested layouts. In case of linear layouts we have to use multiple nested layouts also, but in case of constant layout it will reduce. Example: see constant layout text view, and inside text view this app layout constant top parent, and this will close view also there. This constant top of parent, that means parent, its closed part will be the text view. Next is relative layout, allows positioning elements relative to each other. So it's not much used. Actually here we have to just put relative to another layout. Okay, like this here text view, Android layout center in parent equal to true. That means this layout will be in the parent center. Next is frame layout, used for stacking UI elements, useful for overlays. Example: frame layout. So frame layout here, see image view, Android SRC, and text view, both are coming inside this frame layout. So if they are overlaying, then we have to use frame layout. So these are some examples. Grid layout, in case of grid layout, if we have multiple columns and rows, then we will use grid layout. Here see grid layout, Android column count 2. In two columns all the display will go there, button, first button and second button. And choosing the right layout. So for complex UIs, constant layout we will prefer. Use linear layout for simple vertical horizontal UI. Use frame layout for overlaying elements. Use grid layout for tabular structure. Okay, so what are best practices? So we have to minimize listed layout for performance. Use wrap content and match parent wisely. We will see what is wrap content and match parent. Use recycler view instead of list view. Optimize UI for different screen sizes. So what is match parent? Match parent is an attribute used in Android layouts to make a view expand to fill all available spaces in its parent container. So whatever will be its parent container, that means layout, so it will fill all the space. That will be match parent. And what is wrap content? Wrap content is an attribute used in Android layouts that makes a view adjust its size to fit its content perfectly. So whatever content is given, so it will fit perfectly. That for that purpose we use wrap content. Next is views. So what is views? Views in Android are the building blocks of UI elements. They are used to create interactive user interfaces in Android applications. So see some views. Button, text, image view. These are views. These are base class for widgets. Example: text view, Android, text hello world. And common views are text views. This displays text. Edit text, user input field. Here it will take input button, clickable button. Image view, display images. Recycler view, displays lists efficiently. Web view loads web pages inside an app. Next, first is text view. Just see, used to display a static text. A static, that means whatever you will write, it will display there. Example: text view, Android text, hello Android, and its size, style we can manage. We will see. Next is edit text, allows user input. Here you can take real-time input in edit text. Edit text Android hint. This is a hint, enter your name. That means you have to enter your name. Button triggers actions when clicked. So button we know na, if we click it will trigger some another action. Image view display images. It will show image, whatever image we will put there. Recycler view used for large data sets. More efficient than list view, requires an adapter. Okay. Web view display web pages within the app. So it's example web view. Custom view, you can create custom UI elements by extending the view class edge. We will see all these examples. Next is view group. So view group, this is like layout only, and it is layout. A view group is a container that holds multiple views or child view groups. It helps in designing complex UI structures. So what is a view group? A view group is a subclass of view. It acts as a parent for multiple child views. So this is a container of views. Example linear layout, constant layout, relative layout. So common views, all the layouts will come under view groups. Linear layout arranges views in a single direction. Constant layout, flexible and efficient layout. Relative layout positions views relative to others. Frame layout stacks views on top of each other. And grid layout organizes views in a grid in table format. Custom view groups. You can create custom view groups by extending the view group classes. That means we can create custom view.